Hello. Good morning. Everything is my birthday. As you can see, I'm so very happy today that God add 1 year to my year. Mm. Hey, my God. Thank God for everything. Look at me. Do I look good? You see, people they jealous. So I don't know why they jealous. I don't know why they jealous me. Because I be child of Jeremiah. I'm not jealous. If you no wait till they make me the shine like this, go and meet Prophet Jeremiah. You go the shine. Then you go the jealous. Why are you jealous? Why are you fighting for the things of life? Where tomorrow will come. You sleep, you wake up. Give God the glory. Special today, this month, na good month for my life. And I see they happy for waiting God see do for my life. Say, He give me waiting they give people. So God bless me with children, bless me with good life. Thank God for my life. Okay. So as God do for me, God will still do for my too. But the only thing, believe in God. Not they comment rubbish for people picture what they put for Facebook. Not be like that. You comment good thing. Like the person. Don't be say you call the right waiting. You're not supposed to write. You don't know the person. They add person for Facebook. Person go add on for Facebook. You go be wahala. They go add on you go be problem. If they no add on you go be problem. Person add on so that we feel they talk to each other. Not be to go they tell person I love you, I don't love you. They comment rubbish. That will not be something. Person go post the picture. You won't make you look good. That's why make everybody see comment whether it's good or bad. Don't be say you just sit down, you just the right rubbish. Put for person picture where be say he post. You not post and put for your work. You not post am for your house. You not put am for your life. You just put am for our own self. As if just stay like he says, okay. You stand for mirror. You look yourself as he take dress. Say I'm okay. Then he post. Then the next thing I want he post for picture. Put the picture for this Facebook. You go the right nonsense, the right rubbish, the right gbogbo wey not supposed to be right. Do you know the person? You don't know the person rituals. You don't know his background. Why you just go and go the right rubbish they put for person picture? The person never will see you. You don't even know you. Mogbe o. Now some people be. You that person where the right rubbish they put for person, they comment rubbish for person picture for Facebook. You they reason yourself. I'm not just saying they see yourself. You just dance. The person will not know. You just add you as a friend for Facebook. You will just write rubbish. 1,000 plus people. I will get more than 600 for send my for friend request now. If you not let me add done because I don't know now. The person click accept wahala. You know accept now wahala now go they call the call person for video call. Why are you calling? If the person man is okay, make call this person maybe you know make it your pick. You go they toast. You go they say excuse me. You like person. You not like person. You know whether the person is married or not. You don't know. You know, you call, if maybe you call the person or you write message, the person not reply you. The next thing you go call the right rubbish for the person. Are you okay? Are you mad? You get sense? You fit get sense, you know they comment rubbish for people picture. You know go comment rubbish for person picture. Me, when they make me they do this thing when I do, and because of wetin I see for life. I not just come and say I will just dey like to dey show myself. No. Because when I dey follow Prophet Jeremiah, my life not remain the same. I change. There is a lot of changes in my life. So how me want to see the changeness? How people want to really believe with the changeness? Now for me to come like this, Una go see if una no even dey comment good thing for me, how me go take una go take encourage me? Like person wey just say I post my picture for my birthday now, you comment rubbish, but I no know am. I never see that person for my life before. He provoke me yesterday. Yes, na dey nag. My children dey even dey near me yesterday. I just be like dog wey just new born. Body dey itch me because this person, I no even know this person. I no know where he come from. I never even see this person. I no know where this person come from. He dey comment rubbish for my picture. So as I just stay dressed like this, as God take create me come this earth. As I fine reach like this, because I even ugly self, e no bad. I go still take am. You say I go not be kind words wey be say wetin you comment, if I no call delete and comot. If na wetin this way we dey do for social media, we dey talk now. Our children time dey come, they go waka like this. If you dey do good, they go see am. If you do bad, they go see am. So why person go dey do bad? You don't better you do good. Because our pastor say, our prophet, man of God, even my parents, they even they talk am. Say if you talk truth, he go lead you to anywhere you want lead them to. If you talk bad, he go still lead you to anywhere you want lead you to. Then what be the thing wey you go do is to for your own way. Say okay, this one I dey do so. I not do am well. Might just go the God way. Tell the truth. Many people they go see say you dey progress. Many people go see say you dey shine. They go dey vex. They go dey vex. They go dey nag. They go dey give you name wey be say no be your name. They go dey talk rubbish against you. It dey happen for everywhere. Even for church, even for outside, even for your working place, people hate you. You know if you please everybody for this earth. Special we now we be say we don't dey face camera like this. You know easy to face camera like this. They face camera, they do with it. You call poster. May you see try, may you poster, may you see as it be. Sometimes you get what I go talk, I go dey shame, they look myself, say, now me be this. Now so you see try, not be say then you go dey comment rubbish for people. The person not put am for your head. Wetin I dey post, I not post am for your head. If not only one person, two person I will get, the way they look me, you tell me say I like you, I go happy. Not be battalion. Where go say he go just dey look, go dey comment rubbish put. No. Waka your own. You look my picture, you know like a comot. Then you go dey use your dirty hand wey never wash for many years. Whether you don't carry leprosy, no. Take type rubbish put for where you're not supposed to type and put. You know the person. Do you know the person? Do you know where about that person? You don't know anything about the person. You are saying rubbish. Then when you don't talk, the person don't see the thing. The person go dey provoke, dey nag, go dey vex. I take God beg una. Una where they comment rubbish for person. I take God beg una. When they comment rubbish they put for people, what they talk or what they do. If it not be you not use your mouth to talk. You know use your mouth to do it. Not use your internet to do anything. It's one for yourself to bring yourself. Maybe if you time go they look yourself, you go see they feel happy. Now make it do like person like me. If I see myself, not because this dress when I dress now, maybe if I don't put her for ground now before I go focus, make I see where I'm again. Go see take another time. So if I see myself like this, I dey happy when I go to play the video like this. I go see myself say na me be this. I dey feel good. Not be say person go come for you to say good thing for this my dressing when I dress nice. I take come outside this one. You can't go this type rubbish they put. No, not do like that. Love your labor as yourself. As far as you love yourself, try to love people like that. Not the right rubbish, comment rubbish, nonsense for people. No. I take God beg una. Brothers and sisters, I take God beg una. So people just come, they'll just call you. You know whether the person marry. You know whether the person don't marry. I love you, I like you, I do this one. No, stop that. You don't have to do. Some people they react, you not reply them. They'll need to call you for video call. Why you won't call the person for video call? Why? Do you know the person before? You are a friend on Facebook friends. Don't mean say you have to go and call the person where the person sit down. I take God beg on. If not the friend for there, make it end. Not to go they find the person for Facebook. Go they call the person. You send the person message. They type. One day he go type. He go ask. He go reply you. Not even like me, I dey work. I get children I dey take care of. I will call prepare food for my family. Then one person will call us na your own, I be my own. No. Now say see people now. If I not see some person not comment for this, I know go call the talk. Say why you not comment, not comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I dey talk am. Subscribe, like, share. I'm not just saying I go dey talk rubbish. I go dress, I go wear long shirt like this one. Not be say I dress for inside Facebook. Now call the naked or I call they do rubbish for Facebook. Not be how they do. I must say person go call they comment rubbish for what they do. No, if I go to they talk, you know like waka pass. I no go hold you. I no go talk say why you they do that thing. No. Okay. You comment, you subscribe. Now your hand take type am. You say like am. Me no go force you or I will come meet you for your ask call they drag you say you must subscribe. How many friends I get for Facebook? How many subscribers I get? How many likers I get? But for now on, now to go dey call person for Facebook, for Messenger, call person for you say the request for number. For waiting, what you the person want discuss? Do you know the person before? Which issue will the person want discuss? Tell me. If what they talk so, if you not like her, tell me. You're right for them. Say this way also, you are not right. If you like her, see right people say you like her. Not they call people for video call. Stop calling people. People are married. Stop calling people on camera, on video call. Don't call me.